Welcome, and thank you for joining today's session. I'm Matthew Dolan, a Senior Product Manager on the Alexa Skills Kit team. I lead low-code projects that make it simpler and faster for partners to launch Alexa skills. In this session, we'll introduce you to vertical solutions for businesses, ready-to-use tools that make it easier to build and launch on Alexa. We'll show you new skill APIs we're working on and introduce you to skill components announced today that will help you drive engagement and deliver higher quality skills with less effort. In the first half of this session, I'll walk through skill APIs. In the second half, I'll be joined by Tarun Tiwari, another Senior Product Manager who will discuss skill components. We'll also get a preview of how our partners are using these tools to launch engaging and natural experiences on Alexa. So let's get started. We want you to spend less time writing foundational code and more time on the unique aspects of your skill. To do this, we're building more skill APIs and new skill components. First, skill APIs are low-code solutions built by Amazon. They offer a simple solution to deliver intuitive customer experiences that are quicker than building from scratch. Skill APIs come with pre-built models and use design best practices that are continually improved. You can quickly build high-quality interactions without writing or managing dialogues. For example, with smart home skill APIs, we experience this when I say, "Alexa, turn on the lights." Alexa sends requests to my smart home skills, connects me with the right provider, and gets the job done. Now let's talk about skill components. Skill components include skill primitives like intents, dialogues, visual templates, skill code, and tasks. They're easily added to skills as ready-to-use solutions for common use cases. And components are customizable to make them work just for you. Customize one component or combine multiple components for your unique skill experience. Then simply import and deploy your code. Components are pre-built using Alexa design best practices, starting with the latest conversational AI, using Alexa conversations or controls, so you get a springboard to develop from. We're excited to see developers compose, customize, and launch faster using components. We continue to invest in ready-to-use tools in business verticals that can deliver natural and convenient experiences for customers. In addition to existing verticals like smart home, music, and video, we're working on two new verticals, food ordering and interactive media. Today, we'll use these new verticals as examples to demonstrate where we're heading. I will showcase food skill APIs for food ordering, and then Tarun will showcase skill components for interactive media. With skill APIs, the voice interaction model is pre-built. Alexa manages the experience and sends requests to your skill. You integrate with APIs and upload content that Alexa can use to deliver consistent and natural experiences. We're expanding what skill APIs can deliver for more complex tasks, starting with the multi-step process of food ordering. We'll introduce the effort needed to launch experiences that developers might have difficulty achieving on their own. Food ordering includes a variety of interaction patterns between finding what to eat and placing an order. With food skill APIs, developers can solve for specific use cases and then incrementally add capabilities over time. Our goal is for Alexa to make the process of finding and ordering from a wide selection of restaurants incredibly convenient for customers. To achieve this, food scale APIs offer a closer integration with our partners to federate tasks such as discovery and routing of requests for menu items. For example, we want to give customers convenient and actionable results from nearby restaurants when they say, "Alexa, order a hamburger for delivery." Every year, customers receive restaurant suggestions on screens, through recommendations, and through food-related responses. Alexa finds the most relevant results based on location and preference to help customers figure out what and where to eat. With food skill APIs, we want to help customers do even more across 3 stages of the customer journey: discovery, ordering, and tracking. Let's discuss what each of these can offer and how you can combine them. First, let's talk about discovery. Discovery ties together routing, visuals, location, and preference data so customers can easily find nearby opportunities to order. As a developer, you get access to new top-level invocations and ambient discovery channels to connect with customers. For example, restaurant discovery includes offers as a new way you can reach customers with discounts and specials. With improved discovery, you get exposed to more customers, increasing traffic for your business and offering an entry point to your skill or app, which we'll speak about a little later. When customers ask for cuisines or to order delivery, Alexa matches them with the best options using information for offers, nearby availability, and delivery radius. Customers get relevant results and can then take action by quickly jumping to ordering. In our examples today, we'll use Tony's, our faux national restaurant chain, to walk through multiple customer experiences. The following is a short video of what we're working on to surface restaurant options as a ready-to-use solution. In this example, we're using new APL widgets announced today at Alexa Live to deliver ambient and delightful discovery to reach and engage customers. The concept videos we show today aren't final, but they will give you an idea of what features we're wrapping together and what interactions might look like.
Oh, nice. Tony's Pizza Combo deal. That looks really good. Alexa, view the meal offer.
Sure. The Tony's Pizza Combo deal includes 2 medium 2-topping pizzas and a 2-liter of Coca-Cola for $16.99. When you're ready, you can tell me to start checkout or modify order.
Part of getting a customer's attention is having the right offer in the right place at the right time. As we just saw, discovery includes the option to connect customers with nearby offers for delivery and pickup. We're using store directory and menu information to match customers with deals and specials at relevant times of the day. Now that customers can easily find restaurants and offers, let's talk about ordering and what actions customers can take next. Customers can order from restaurants in multiple ways, with or without Alexa. Ordering APIs connect with your backend system so customers can order with Alexa for quick ordering. Customers can quickly check out with Alexa on their device, or you can connect customers to mobile so customers can order without Alexa directly from app or web. Today, our Alexa for Apps team announced Send to Phone as a new capability. Developers can conveniently connect customers on Alexa to mobile. By resolving store locations and menus in advance, we're connecting customers to restaurants without consciously enabling skills, so they can quickly get from discovering what to eat to placing an order. Let's take a look at an example where a customer orders with Alexa. We'll pick up after the customer selected the pizza combo from Tony's of Seattle.
Yeah, this looks really good. Alexa, start checkout.
Would you like to add any popular extras to this order?
No thanks.
Nice. Your order total will be $23.68 and will be delivered to your address at 98135 and includes a delivery fee of $4.99. When you're ready, you can tell me a tip amount for your delivery person, or say place this order.
With food skill APIs, your skill and backend system manage offers, inventory, and payments, so customers can place orders simply and quickly. Now, once a customer places their order, the next question is, where's my food? Order tracking allows customers to get the status of their orders straight from Alexa. Customers love tracking Amazon packages so they know exactly when their shipments will arrive. Now, we're expanding the experience to restaurant orders. Tracking APIs enable you to push order status updates and allow Alexa to keep customers informed with proactive messages and visuals on device screens. With Alexa's help, customers stay engaged from checkout until delivery so they know exactly when it's time to eat. Now that we've shown examples of what food skill APIs can deliver individually, let's see how they can work together to create the best combination for your business. Food skill APIs can be composed and combined so they work best for you. They can solve for an individual use case or multiple use cases across discovery, ordering, and tracking. For example, with Domino's, we've been working on how we can improve multiple parts of the customer journey. Last year, Domino's launched order tracking built on Alexa Skill Quick Links. After checkout, customers on web or mobile are connected to Alexa to hear status updates for their pizza deliveries. For example, customers can simply click a button on their web browser to open the Domino's skill and start tracking on any of their Alexa devices. This year, Domino's is building upon order tracking and using offers and Send to Phone to increase discovery. Let's watch a short video of what we're working on to combine discovery of pizza offers with order tracking.
Ooh, Domino's perfect combo deal. That looks really good. Alexa, view the Domino's meal offer.
Sure. The Domino's Perfect Combo deal includes 2 medium pizzas, sides, and a drink. Want to start this order in the Domino's app on your phone?
Yeah, sure.
Great. I'll send a link to your phone to start this Domino's offer. Who should I send it to? Ethan or Karen?
Send it to Ethan.
Okay, sending to Ethan.
Alexa, what's my notification?
One new notification. From Domino's. Your driver, Adam, has arrived with your order from Domino's. Just say, "Open Domino's" to hear more.
In this example, we saw offers for discovery, send to phone for ordering, and quick links for tracking in a combined experience. We're excited to work with Domino's on these kinds of ready-to-use solutions and help customers make a round trip with the help of Alexa. Now that we've seen a few examples of the customer experience, let's briefly talk about what's needed to integrate with skills. Building with food skill APIs is simple. Select capabilities such as offers, send to phone, and order tracking. Then provide skill data that's used out of the box in voice and visual experiences. For example, for restaurant offers, provide descriptions, media, availability, and directory information. For ordering, provide store menus and item details for simple and quick ordering on device, or provide deep links for web or app ordering. Your skill is a source for data provided to food skill APIs. During a session, your skill receives requests to verify information such as inventory and pricing. Then, after Alexa completes the voice interaction, you receive a final request to fulfill the order. Outside of a session, you can call APIs to update things like order tracking status, store hours, and availability of offers. Now that we've covered skill APIs, Tarun will talk about skill components and how they can help you quickly and easily build high-value experiences for customers. Thanks for your time today, and here's Tarun.
Hi everyone, I'm Tarun Tiwari, Senior Product Manager in the Alexa team. And as Matt said, next we are going to talk about skill components. Let's start by recapping what is a skill component. As discussed earlier, skill components are ready-to-use experiences that you can easily add to your skills. Each component is a collection of skill primitives, voice user interface artifacts such as dialogues, slots, intents, catalogs, APL artifacts, skill code, skill connection tasks, and skill events. Developers can import these components into their existing skill package, compile, and deploy to their skill. Also, skill components bring the CX best practices of Alexa to your skill, with pre-built voice experience which cover a myriad of interaction paths that a customer can take when interacting with your skill, and APL artifacts, which leverages Alexa device's screen with visuals. Lastly, these skill components are organized by vertical solutions, where each vertical solution is targeted for a specific business category. One of the verticals that we are focusing on is interactive media, because media streaming drives significant traffic on Alexa-enabled devices. Now let's take an example of how skill components are benefiting media content providers, such as radio partners, with interactive media. Our radio partners have told us that radio personalities and DJs are always looking for new ways to build a direct connection with their listeners. Presently, they engage with their listeners using social media platforms, phone call-ins, and text. However, one of the primary barriers in driving interactive engagement with users enjoying streaming content is the friction associated with leaving the streaming medium in order to complete an interaction on their phone or computer. We believe that these interactive engagements can be built better using Alexa's conversational capabilities. Alexa can make it super convenient for our customers to engage with the most easy way possible, using their voice, the way you would expect to talk to a friend, which is how our listeners view our radio DJs, their friend on the radio. We are introducing interactive media vertical solutions. With this vertical solution, we'll enable media content providers, such as radio, podcast, and music service providers, to launch interactive experiences connected with their content on Alexa. This vertical solution will contain a set of skill components that content providers can easily integrate with their existing content skills on Alexa. Next, let's see some examples of skill components in the interactive media vertical. First example is Song Request to DJ component. This allows DJs and radio personalities to receive song requests from their listeners on Alexa. Listeners also have an option to share their name and city with the radio station, along with the name and city of the person they want to dedicate the song to. Another example is the polling component. This allows content creators to initiate polls with their audience on topics and issues that are relevant to their show and receive real-time responses through Alexa. Creators can optionally share the interim poll results with their audience right after they submit their response, or wait until the polls are closed and share results later in the show. One more example is the contest component. This allows creators to run contests through Alexa, allowing their listeners to participate in it by either answering simple questions or just signing up for it. Creators can monitor the participation metrics in real time and send notification to the winners through Alexa. Now let's watch a short video of the Song Request to DJ skill component in action.
Alexa, request Just Like You by NF from 106.1 KISS FM.
Great. Who would you like to dedicate the song to?
This is dedicated to Dinesh in Dallas from Crystal in Seattle.
Sounds good. I'll send your request to the station.
All right. To Dinesh and Dallas from Crystal in Seattle, this one's for you.
You ever think about what it would be like if the clouds were gone and you could see light? If the door was open, would you take flight or just close the curtains up and stay inside? Take a walk with me, take a risk with me.
Isn't that awesome? Let's deep dive into the Song Request to DJ skill component. Song Request to DJ skill component contains a predefined voice user interface that collects the necessary information to complete the request, such as song name, artist name, requester's name and city, and dedicated to person's name and city. Customers can say skip at any point if they do not want to give any inputs, and even cancel the request mid-interaction by saying quit. When Alexa doesn't understand customers' input, she prompts them again and gracefully handles the error path. Secondly, you can easily configure the experience to make inputs optional or update Alexa's response, such as replacing TTS in Alexa's voice with DJ's recorded voice. You can integrate these components into your existing radio skill by using NPM, which adds the necessary artifacts that are required to enable this feature in your skill. And lastly, we are continuously working to improve the Song Request to DJ skill component with a more robust voice user interface, multimodal elements to complement voice experience with visual elements, and new features such as notifications and request history. Over the last few months, we partnered with iHeartRadio to build the Song Request to DJ skill component, and we are excited to announce that iHeartRadio will be launching this feature soon. They believe that this is an innovative next step in the continued evolution of radio, and they also look forward to launching more features using interactive media skill components. We hope you are as excited as we are. Thank you for your time today. Song Request to DJ skill component is in developer preview now, and we'll have more information to share on skill APIs soon. To sign up for more information, visit Alexa Live 2021 Release Roundup page. Thank you again for your time, and I hope you are ready to build on Alexa with dedicated tools that help you get started quickly with high-quality experiences.